Hi, my name is Kimmie Dalton, and this is my final assignment for NOS 130. And I'm on touch base a few things for the newbie Windows user. And one of the things, I guess, to start with would be web browsers, because web browsers are very important if you want to use the internet. And not all web browsers are considered the same. Some are better than others. Some have more, what you could say, bling. Some have more security features than others. Then again, I mean, it's just all up to the user and what the user is wanting, what the user is looking for. A few of the best browsers would be Firefox. Firefox is a good browser, but you just have to be careful as far as the add-ins and the plugins for this. The Opera browser is a good one. Actually, I have that one on this computer. I use it some. It is pretty good. You have the Safari. That one is a neat little browser. I've tried it before. I'm just not used to it, so I don't use it that often. Google Chrome. It doesn't have all the bling and whatnot, but it's a really good, safe, reliable browser. I do use it quite often. Let's see. And of course what I'm using now, which is the Internet Explorer 8. It's really good as far as browsers per se. And the newer one seems to be a lot safer than the older one. And now I will show you how to manipulate files in Windows Explorer and how to do a few things with Command Prompt. Here we'll go and use the Windows Explorer. Just click Start. Go to Computer. This is Windows 7. Click on your C drive. And in this, it shows you different files and things that you have on your hard drive, so on and so forth, program files, personal files and documents, anything that has been saved to your hard drive. First, we'll start off by getting the program to show the file extensions. And to do this, while you're in this window, just press Alt on your keyboard and you'll see this toolbar come up with a File, Edit, View, Tools, and Help. Click on Tools, select Folder Options, select View, and right here it says Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Make sure that this is deselected in order to show the extensions on each of the files. And apply to folders also. So do you want all folders of this type to match this folder's view settings? Choose Yes. And click OK. If you want to rename it, if you do an error, or if you just want to rename a specific folder or file, just select the folder, right click, scroll down here to rename, select rename, and again it pulls up the edit box and you can change it to anything you want to. Okay, this time I will put in Kimberly. Then just click somewhere else on the screen and there it is. It has renamed that folder Kimberly. Okay, let's see. Copying. One way to copy, this is the way I use, is to do Control-C. After you've selected the file, Control-C, then click somewhere else on the screen, do Control-V. back out of there. I made an oops. Let's do it this way. Just click copy. Click on the screen. Control V is paste. There you go. It's got the copy of the Kimberly file and everything. Let's see. Moving the file. You can move this into another folder or a new folder, whichever you choose. All you have to do is click on it, drag it into the desired folder. See, it highlights it. Let go and it drops it in there. So let's open Kimberly and see if, yep, there's my copy. See, it put my copy into the folder that I wanted. And being that I don't need this folder or the copy, I want to delete it. So, for instance, on this one, let's do it this way. I'll do it two different ways. To delete it, just right-click on it, select delete, and it'll ask you if you want to move it to the recycle bin. Choose yes, and that deletes it and puts it into the recycle bin. Up here, use the arrow key, and it'll go back to the original set of folders. And up here it has the folder that I created, which is the Kimberly folder. I don't need it, so I will right click. Let's do this one this way. This one, just click on it, click on Kimberly, and press delete. That's another way. It's an easier way to remove a folder. Then again, just click yes, and it puts it in the recycle bin. Okay. And as far as for files, it works the same way. Let me go to a folder for a class that I had last time. That's not it. Sorry, Rick, I was trying to remove your stuff. Let's go. This one is hardware software. Okay. It's the same thing. We'll create a new folder in here. Go to new folder. Now just put copies. Click on the screen elsewhere, and that makes the new folder. Okay, let's make a copy. Okay, let's rename this. We'll just rename it Chapter 3. So right click, rename, and I'll just do Chapter 3. It's Chapter 3 doc. Click on the screen elsewhere. That renames the whole file from what it was. Okay, let's make a copy. Right click, copy, click on the screen elsewhere, do Control V, that's paste, and there you have a copy of your Chapter 3 doc. Okay, so far that covers renaming, copying. Okay, let's move the file. Now these are files and the others were folders, so we'll just do it both ways. Just click on it, use your mouse, drag it up into the folder you want to put it in, and drop it, and it should put it in the folder copies, which is the one that I've chosen, and there it is. This is my Chapter 3 copy. So that covers moving. Let's cover just deleting. This time, this one I clicked on the file, so I will choose delete on the computer keyboard. And it'll say, do you want to move it to the recycle bin? Choose yes. Then it's gone. And go back. And I don't need this folder, so then I'll do this one this way.